Welcome to mfClassrooms. In part 1 of this tutorial, we will show you how to register on mfClassrooms and log in, set your preferences, view your schedule, schedule lessons and availability, confirm and edit a student's lesson time, and leave a student a message. In part 2, we will cover how to enter and exit your lessons, set your audio and video levels for your lessons, view previously recorded lessons, and attach document and video attachments. You will soon receive an email from mfClassrooms.com asking you to activate your login. Please click on the red button which says Enter your new password. From there, you will be directed to the mfClassrooms registration webpage. Please create a password and enter it twice, finishing by clicking on Save. To access this website at any time, you can simply type in www.mfClassrooms.com in your web browser and click on Login, located at the top right corner, and enter your email address and the password you just created. If you are using a mobile device or tablet, you will need to go to Menu in the top right corner and go to Login near the bottom of the pop-up menu. The first time you log into mfClassrooms, you will be asked to choose your general communication and lesson preferences. You can set your time zone and preferred language, manage notification settings, and authorize lesson recordings. If you authorize your lessons to be recorded, you can also choose the recording mode of the lessons. For the options SD Auto, SD Manual, HD Manual, SD HD Manual, you can still choose whether or not to record at each lesson. For all lessons in SD, all lessons will be automatically recorded without further prompting. You can choose how many minutes you would like to allow overtime after the end of the lesson time. After this time, the lesson will automatically stop. You can also choose whether your students will have access to viewing other students' lessons. Not at all, only in their class or in all of your classes. Students will not be able to listen to lessons from another teacher unless registered in that teacher's class. It is important that after you have made your selection for each field, that you press the blue button which says Save. Otherwise, you will stay on this page. You can change your preferences at any time by clicking on MFC Account in the top right-hand corner and selecting Preferences from the menu. When you log into mfClassrooms, the first page that you will see is the dashboard page. Here you will see the classes listed in which you are a teacher, and under My Calendar, your schedule for upcoming lessons. Please click on the blue calendar button on the far right of the line to view the schedule for each specific class. On the next lesson calendar page, you can view your upcoming lessons, the date of the lesson, and the lesson time. You can view your past schedule by clicking on the menu which says Current Lessons and selecting the month of which you would like to view lessons from. To add a new lesson, please click on the blue plus button. A window will appear where you can select the student, the date, starting time, duration of the lesson, and if you have chosen a manual recording mode in your general preferences, the recording mode of your lesson. When you click on Next, you will be directed back to the lesson calendar page. Your new lesson will appear here. You may check which students are enrolled in your class by clicking on the Students icon. This will bring you to the Students page. To set your availability for teaching, please, from the dashboard page, enter the class for which you wish to set availability, and on the following lesson calendar page, again click on the calendar icon. From there, you will be brought to your session availability page. Please select the middle button with the calendar containing the plus sign. A new session window will appear. From there, choose the date and the starting and ending time for which you will be free. After you click Next, the session will be then listed in your availability page. The student will then be able to book a new lesson on his or her own. When a student books a lesson within a session, it will show up on your lesson calendar page. You can confirm this booking by clicking on the Thumbs Up button. You can also book a lesson within a session by clicking on the plus button. When you click on the plus button, the window Lesson Insertion will appear. Please select your student, the time, and the lesson duration, and finish by clicking on Next. The new lesson will appear in your schedule page. You may edit the details of your lesson at any time by selecting the icon with the pad and pencil. To cancel the lesson, please select the red trash can icon at the end of the line. If you would like to send the student a message, you can click on the red envelope icon. After you write the message and click on Send, the message will be sent directly to the student's email address. To safely finish your session with mfClassrooms, please go to MFC account in the top right-hand corner and select Log Out. Thank you for watching this tutorial. More detailed information on how to use mfClassrooms is available in the Guides section of the web page. If you have any further problems or concerns, please contact assistenza at mfClassrooms.com or phone the assistance hotline +3902 829 57526.